Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Valentine's Day is something I don't really believe in, but do I believe in love? Yes. I am a hopeless romantic person and I believe that love can do miracles. Now, it could be the love for a partner, it could be the love for your friend, it could be the love for your sister, your girlfriends, your boyfriend, your husband, your parents, anybody. Now, how do we express that love? So, I think one very effective way to actually express your love is by making a present to someone you love, by gifting something to the person you love. And gifts necessarily not be expensive, but they definitely should be thoughtful. That is what I believe in. So today I'm here to give you guys an excellent idea as to what you can gift your loved one this Valentine's Day, or no matter the occasion. It could be a birthday, it could be an anniversary, it could be just another day. Now, you guys know I love Daniel Wellington, not just for the quality of the products that they actually make, but for the functionality of the product. The simple, minimal look, but very classy, elegant, sophisticated, and the timeless pieces that they make. And one thing I'm really glad about is that they are constantly adding new things to their catalog, so you have much more wider variety now to choose from. And of course, definitely you have more selection of products, so you can definitely buy more products from there. And if you use the coupon code, which Daniel Wellington has very kindly provided to my viewers and subscribers, you can actually avail 15% off on your purchase of Daniel Wellington products. The coupon code is actually flashing on the screen. I'm also going to put the coupon code in the description box below. So with all that being said, today I have a product unboxing. Today I want to show you something that I've been really enjoying, that suits all my needs, that ticks all the boxes, and that is going to be such a perfect gift. So today I have a very beautiful product sitting in this box. First of all, let me just appreciate and admire the packaging of Daniel Wellington. The packaging in itself is so classy. You don't need anything extra. So you'll get your product like this, which is kind of really cool. I always save my boxes. Then as you open it, you have a box inside of it that actually says love, which is so beautiful. So as I take out this particular box, you just slide the real thing from the side, and you have this amazing, beautiful matte with gold lettering that says Daniel Wellington, and inside of it we have this amazing product. Today I'm going to talk about this amazing necklace that we have by Daniel Wellington. Isn't it so beautiful? This is such an amazing piece to give to your loved one that they would appreciate forever. Now let me just quickly talk about this particular product. This is actually called as an Elan Unity necklace. This is just another level perfection. The metal used to craft this beautiful necklace is stainless steel, and it has a very fine gold plating of rose gold, which is so stunning. It is very shiny. With time, Daniel Wellington products do not lose their luster. It doesn't lose on the shine and the beauty part of it. My products from Daniel Wellington still looks as good as new, honestly, and I've been wearing them since such a long time. Now it also comes in a silver variant, so you can go for whichever one that you like. Even the silver Elan Unity necklace looks absolutely stunning. I'll probably just throw in a picture over here. You can have a look, and it is such a beautiful necklace. So this Elan Unity necklace actually symbolizes a singular link between two people. It actually stays as a testimony to those who become one. Isn't it such a gorgeous gift? And even though it looks very delicate, but it can be worn every single day. It is very sturdy, and as I mentioned before, it is so versatile. You can wear it literally with everything. So this is what the necklace actually looks like. It is a tiny necklace. It has two rings that are kind of twined in together, and it sits beautifully on the neck. I love the length of this particular chain. I love the strength of this chain, even though it is a very dainty piece, very delicate looking piece. But I love the fact that you can actually wear it every single day, and it is not going to lose its luster. The color and the polish and everything stays just the same. And I love how shiny it looks. It is such a beautiful piece that you cannot go wrong with this. If you like to celebrate love during this time of the year or throughout the year, I think this beautiful gift is going to just sit and stay as a testimony to the love. It is going to be a beautiful, timeless reminder of your love. You cannot go wrong with this product. It is such a beautiful, stunning piece. So any which way you like to celebrate the season of love, as Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, Valentine's Day, however, this is going to be a perfect gift. And And if you use the coupon code which Daniel Wellington has very kindly provided to my viewers and subscribers, you can actually avail 15% off on your purchase of Daniel Wellington products. Not only that, there is this amazing Valentine's offer going on, which I think is going to last till the end of this month, till the end of February, where if you buy 2 Daniel Wellington products, you're going to get 10% off plus 15% off using the coupon code which is given on the screen. Which, trust me, this is such a wonderful time to make all your purchases. Buy those amazing timeless pieces from Daniel Wellington. I would highly recommend you guys that if you're planning to buy a gift, make sure that you give DW a try, and I promise you, you will not go wrong. Its name, design and its symbolic feature actually ticks all the boxes of what can be a perfect present to your loved one. So do not wait any longer. Make use of the coupon code, make use of the Valentine offer, and go ahead and buy your loved one the perfect timeless gift. I'm going to leave the link of Daniel Wellington's website and the link to this beautiful Elan Unity necklace in the description box below. Go ahead and check the description box out for the direct link, for the coupon code, and for all the offers if you want to have more information. So that is it in this video of mine, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this video the way that I enjoyed filming this video. And yes, do share your idea of a perfect gift in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a very happy Valentine's week ahead. Have a very happy Valentine's Day. And even if you're watching this video after Valentine's Day, I hope that love always remains. And I really hope that love is the most important bond that actually exists on our planet. So thank you so much once again for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, guys. And I love you all so much. Bye, guys. Mwah.